2021.
2020.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Priscilla Bella here. If you're new, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you're returning, welcome back. So today we are outside here at the Olympic Stadium. It's right over there, and there's so many people out here today because today is officially the opening ceremony. It's gonna start like around 8 p.m. until 11 p.m. and tonight they're gonna have fireworks, so I'm assuming that there'll be lots more people around here. I will be sure to capture some of that footage for you guys so that you can see it. You guys know the Olympics has been around for a very long time. 1896 was when it all started in Greece, in Athens, and now it's in Japan. 2020, 2021, yes. And next event will be in Australia in 2032. So I hope you guys who are in Tokyo are able to see the events here on TV or maybe around the stadium, because there are so many things. There's an Olympic ring right over there. There's a museum. There's so many t-shirts in the stores nearby. You can go and you can grab yourself a memorabilia because yeah, today's special. This is the closest that we can get to the stadium, guys. Like everything is blocked off. And it's beautiful though. I really want to see Shelly and Fraser Price because you guys know that I'm from Jamaica. Yay! I really want to see the races with her. I'm looking forward to that. I want to see the US as well. I want to see Japan perform. I want to see everybody. I mean, we can't watch the games from the inside, but we will be able to see some on television. I can't wait so that you guys can see all of the events that are happening in Tokyo this weekend, this month in July and throughout August. I am here with my Japanese friends. Please tell everybody your name.
I'm Takebayashi. Call me Kazu.
Kazu, nice name.
I'm very excited in this Olympics.
Me too.
I will see soccer and marathon.
Yes.
I like football.
Football. Oh, do you have a favorite player?
Yeah, I like Kubo Takesa.
Yeah.
He's a Real Madrid player.
Oh my God, I'm a Real Madrid fan too. Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. So we are Madrid fans. Yay.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to see this fireworks.
Me too. Do you watch fireworks like every year?
Yeah. I watch every year fireworks.
Did you take a picture at the Olympic ring?
Yeah.
Over there, yeah.
Yeah, absolutely.
Me too.
How many days do you stay in Japan?
I've been living in Japan for 9 years.
9 years.
Yeah.
Wow.
9 years.
Really?
Yeah, a long time. I like Japan very much.
日本語ペラペラじゃないの？ペ
But
ラペラ。
I don't think so.
My name is Yuka. Please call me Yuka.
Yeah. Hi, Yuka. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. I do karate, so I watch karate in Olympic.
Wow, that's amazing. Where are you from?
I'm from Osaka.
Oh, Osaka.
Yeah.
That's far.
Walking 53
hours.
hours.
Wow. What is Osaka famous for?
Taco ball.
Oh, taco balls.
Oh.
Yes.
Taco ball.
Yeah.
Very hot. Yummy, yummy.
It's very yummy.
Very
Okay,
yummy.
good, nice.
I want to see fireworks tonight.
Me too. Me too.
What sports do you do?
So I run.
Oh, great.
Yeah. How about you? No
Oh,
running?
no, only walking.
Only walking.
Slowly,
Slowly.
slowly.
Welcome.
Wow.
Okay.
Hello.
Your country?
Holland, Netherlands, Netherlands.
You are not from Japan.
無観客だけどね、しっかりと。
What do they want me? Oh my
Little
god.
did you know you're back here.
And we are almost ready.